Well, I asked the second question, which I think is shorter, but will answer the same question.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Can Sensei say something about his pelvis tilt? If you're a large, taller person, and you just try to stay straight, and the upper body can move independently. And somehow I think that the way you hold your pelvis, the lower stomach muscles, either help or they don't help. How does Sensei do it?
鍋山先生はその腰の軸ですね、体の傾け方などを、こういったふうに取り組んでおりますかと。
重心配分いきますよ。
はい。
これと使い分けるんですね。
So there is a use for both types. So you could tell he was tilting it differently.
この重心配分とこの重心配分そんなに変わんないんですよ。
So it's a subtle difference. はい。
でも明らかにこちらだと出てきます、相手は。
But the second one, so will invite your opponent more often. はい。
だから相面を誘うときにはこれでは相手は避けるんですね。
This, however, will put him in a defensive mode. はい。
でも先ほどの相面を狙ってるときで何やってるかってこうじゃなくこの前傾じゃなくてこうしときながらそして足を浮かせた状態でここを前傾させると相手は来たと感じるんですね。でもこういうふうな言い方をすると相手ってそんな威圧感を感じないんですよ。
So what he did in the first video, the first ippon of the second video, the first ippon of the second video was he made it look like he made it look more comfortable to his opponent by tilting his pelvis, as Mark said. Yeah, so he straightened out his body, which is less looks less aggressive and draws out his opponent out more often. はい。
プレッシャーをかけるときはこのように作ります。で、プレッシャーをかけないときはに対して打ちやすい重心配分を作るんだけども、相手に対してどう感じさせるかっていうのは上半身の作り方で全然相手が受ける印象が変わってきます。
So there's a clear spot for both of the pelvis configurations, let's say. If you want to be aggressive, you should, well, tilt it slightly forward. And furthermore, there's the perception of the opponent. So if you want to look aggressive, rather than, which doesn't mean that you want to be, but if you want it to look aggressive, then you will tilt it forward. If you want to appear less aggressive and maybe as a more easy target, you would tilt it a little bit, your weight distribution to the rear, and the pelvis should get more level with the floor, parallel to the floor, I guess. はい。
もう一回言います。私が相手を攻め崩して打つときはこのように打ちますし、相面を誘うときには、どうぞ。
はい。So he's explaining that if he wants to disrupt his opponent, which happened in the second ippon of the second video, is he freezes there with all sorts of stuff that might happen, and then it disrupts his opponent's posture and kamae. はい。
相面を誘うときには、 今みたいに前傾せずに、できるだけ体を立てた状態で技を出す。
When he goes for the drawing out the opponent, Debana technique, he tries to maintain his back straight more and go for as he's going forward, and then as we discussed, he can lure out his opponent and go for the Debana timing. Hi.
相手はこういう動き、もしくはこういう動きによって相手はプレッシャーを感じます。
So depending on the opponent, they feel pressured by maybe you move your body upwards a little bit or moving slightly in, and you go low a little bit from below. You pressure them. Hi.
じゃあ逆に沈まない、逆に前傾しない、これをやると今みたいな入り方は相手はプレッシャーを感じます。
However, if you maintain sort of a neutral state, I would say, you go in neutrally and you're not giving off any signs like going up or going from below. If you go in neutral like that, it's well, your opponent feels the least amount of pressure, probably. Hi.
そういうふうにプレッシャーをかける、プレッシャーをかける、プレッシャーをかけない。このプレッシャーをかけたりかけなかったりすることで、相手をこう操作していく。
So yeah, by putting on pressure or not, or making your opponent believe you're putting on pressure or not, you can move your opponent around.
おそらくみんなこういうのでプレッシャーを与えるけども、プレッシャーを与えないで入っていくっていうことをあまりやる人は少ないですよね。
However, it's quite rare to go for it without putting on any pressure. Hi.
でも私はプレッシャーをかける、プレッシャーをかけないっていうのを自分なりに使い分けて、試合を作ってます。
So, Nabeyama Sensei is trying to make clever use of putting on pressure and not putting on pressure. Have maintain a good balance between the two and gain the most out of it. Hi.